Right, just a quick tip on quick and easy way to put a new floor in, because I'm just patching up. Put a couple of new joists in. The floor had rotted from a leaking pipe for the shower wasn't sealed, etc. But it's rotted the boards, so a nice quick simple way. You can see the state of the old joists, but rather than rip all the floor up for a minute on this job, just do a nice 2 run on both the joists, and then we've got a nice flat floor again. And then there's a quick easy way to mark this board for cutting without any measuring at all. So we've got our board there, and all you need to do, we know that one's coming up the side of here, so I'll just put a few marks there so I know that's my outside line. We know this one's coming up through here, so I'll just mark that for reference. We know the end is here, so I'm going to take the line nice and wide past my board that I'm using. Same on this one, follow the line of the timber. Then that way I know I've got my line there when I put my board down, which is for this one. I've got my line here for the end, and I know these match up with the 2 joists, and this one for this one is on there. This will just remind me when I cover that hole. So all I need to do is line that up to the first one. That's marked there, so I know that my cut then is going to come off this one where I've marked. I could just line then my level up to my line that's on the floor. I can then line down from that joist. That gives me that first cut. That there now has marked out the first piece. Also, crucially, make sure you drink your cuppa. Then for the inside cut, line up to the 3rd joist that I marked. And that gives me my final cut. That will then, when it's cut out, fit the floor. And I'll pause that and show you in a minute. And there you've got a nice little floor replacement that we can work with and put the top flooring on. Job done. I'll screw that in, and there you go.